Baida Africa, Sironya Ricardo Mulwen, Mutuaka. I see the God in you. I honor you. I see you. I feel you. I hear you. I love you. I love you loudly and confidently and without hesitation because you make it that easy. I love how you love me, how you see me, how you undress me, but also how you clothe me in safety and security. Thank you for being the son my mom never had. Thank you for caring about my family, for never judging our history, and wanting to do more for us without any of us asking. You became the man in our home. You bought my mom flowers. Her favorite thing. More than that, you bring flowers to my father's grave. You clean it. You bring flowers to my father's grave. You clean it. You talk to him. Man, you even dream of him. So how can I not believe that he didn't bring you to me? I know he loves you for me. He chose you for me. Man, I chose you for me. I did it 12 years ago, and I'll do it every waking day of my life until I die.